Kia ora and welcome to Sweetest Cooking. Anke here, and it is lovely to see you. Christmas is fast approaching, and so it's a good time to make super delicious Christmas cookies. And today I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned German Christmas cookie called Jungferntrost. And I've got this Christmas cookie already here. It is super delicious, easy to make, and everyone in my family loves it. Now, if you're new to my cooking channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this recipe with your friends and family. But now, without further ado, let's get baking. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course I have to taste my Jungferntrost, and I made myself a cup of coffee because we Germans, we love our afternoon cup of coffee with something sweet, so Jungferntrost is perfect. Oh, this is super delicious. Yum. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Jungferntrost, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.